Good morning, guys. Today we are going to review triangles. I know yesterday you guys went over it with Ms. Villapando. Today I want to just do a quick review with you and go over the three types of triangles and provide a few examples for you to look at. So let's go over the anchor chart first, okay? So let's start with the right triangle. The right triangle has a right angle. It only has one right angle. There is your right angle. Let me move the camera a little bit closer so you can see. Okay? It has one right angle. So if you follow with your hand, you can see that it creates a perfect corner. Remember, a right angle measures 90 degrees. Okay? A right angle measures 90 degrees. Now, let's talk about an acute triangle. An acute triangle has three acute angles. So each angle measures less than 90. Each angle measures less than a right angle. So right triangle, because it has a right angle, measures 90 degrees. An acute triangle, each angle measures less than 90 degrees. Okay? So a right triangle only has one perfect corner, and it has one 90-degree angle. An acute triangle, each angle is acute, and each angle measures less than 90 degrees. An obtuse triangle has one angle that's going to measure more than 90 degrees. So an obtuse triangle has an obtuse angle that measures more than 90 degrees. So an obtuse triangle has one obtuse angle, which would be right here, and one angle measures greater than a right angle, so it's more than 90 degrees. Okay, so this is our anchor chart on triangles. Now, what I want to do with you is show you some examples of different types of triangles you could see. So let's start with this one, okay? What do you think this triangle is? So let's think about it for a second. So let's look at it. Okay? Does it have one corner that is a perfect, does it have one angle that makes a perfect corner? It does. Right here. So this would be a right triangle. Okay? So this is a right triangle. 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 So it doesn't matter how I hold it, it's always going to be a right triangle. Even if I put it like this, it's still a right triangle because it has that perfect corner. Okay? Let's look at the next one. What kind of triangle do you think this is? Does it have any right angles? No. Does each angle on the triangle look acute? Well, this one right here, this is acute. Where my finger is down here is acute, but is that angle up there considered acute? No, that angle is obtuse, which means this is an obtuse triangle. So this is obtuse, this is obtuse, this is obtuse. It doesn't matter how you see it. It's obtuse. I could even put it like this. It's obtuse. Let's go to the next one. Looking at this one. Okay? Do you see any right angles in this triangle? No. Do you see any obtuse angles in this triangle? No. Are all three angles in this triangle considered acute? Yes. So this is considered an acute triangle. Every angle in this triangle is considered acute. So this is acute triangle, acute triangle, acute triangle. It doesn't matter how the triangle is shown to you, it will always be acute. Okay? So let's do a quick practice. What do you think this is? You're right. This is obtuse. What about this one? You're right. This is a right triangle. And this one? You're right. This is acute. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick review on triangles. I will attach the anchor chart so that you can use it for the Kahoot.